We implement these measures in collaboration with the stakeholders, including the Catholic Relief Service, VANEX, the district local governments, and other stakeholders. And this is why we are here. My ministry, in collaboration with these stakeholders, have come up with a number of interventions to strengthen this sector. I'll just tell you the headlines of these interventions. Number one, formulation and dissemination of district ordinances. These are bylaws at the district level to ensure that there is a regulation to control the other challenges that I've already mentioned. Number two, registration and licensing of vanilla actors. Number three, development of a national digital traceability system so that we are able to trace and in the process detect any irregularities. Number four, training and capacity building. Number five, scientific determination of vanilla harvest dates. Scientific determination. This is where Maaif University comes in. We have a doctor there who has been leading us in this. Then finally, the declaration of vanilla harvest dates. And this was introduced in 2019 as one of the proven best practices in curbing the vanilla challenges that I've mentioned. I want to report to you that this has paid off and tremendously improved the quality of Ugandan vanilla on the international market, with the laboratory reports confirming Ugandan vanilla having the highest vanillin content as we talk at a level of 4%. We have also reduced the instances of theft. We have also reduced cases of murder related to vanilla crimes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's critical for all stakeholders in the vanilla value chain to observe vanilla market requirements such as quality, tastes, and preferences, size,